home remedies for cold and cough during pregnancy. When you get to be distinctly pregnant, your safe framework is probably going to change. Accordingly of this progression, you may get a chilly or hacked sooner or later amid your pregnancy. Furthermore, your sickness may last more. The uplifting news is that despite the fact that you likely feel exhausted, the side effects of a cold or influenza are not commonly unsafe to your child. Be that as it may, it is imperative to take the important measures to abstain from getting an icy or hack while pregnant, and to treat it once you get one. Home treatment for cold and cough during pregnancy. There are numerous compelling, safe and characteristic solutions for hack and frosty amid pregnancy. A large portion of while can be utilized amid an influenza also. Here is a rundown of things you can continue deliver in case you get to be distinctly wiped out. Garlic. Some portion of the onion family. Garlic is powerhouse against the icy amid pregnancy. Truth be told, in one review, day-by-day utilization of garlic supplement lessen individual possibility of frosty by more than 60%. For the individuals who got whipped out, garlic helped them improve quicker amid pregnancy. It is best to expand one pulverized crude garlic clove with every dinner. In the event that your chili is intense, you could build your garlic utilization to one pulverized crude clove per each 2 to 3 hours. I jump at the chance to spread in crude nectar for tasty and included advantages. Apple cider vinegar. Crude idly apple cider vinegar alkalinizes the body, and most disease can't flourish in soluble conditions. It likewise contains great microscopic organisms which battle disease. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into water or tea and drink 3 times a day. Gargle apple cider vinegar to smooth a sore throat. Honey. Crude nearby nectar is antibacterial, antimicrobial, and disinfectant. Take 1 teaspoon 3 times each day. Onion. Crude onion has phytochemicals that help keep the respiratory tract open. You can make a dark bean or meat burger and top with loads of onion and mustard. You can include sauerkraut for an additional measurement for probiotics. Lemon. Antibacterial, likewise alkalinizes the body, rich in vitamin C. Take 2 lemons squeeze and add to a quarter mason pump. Include separated water and 1 tablespoon of crude nectar and a dash of ocean salt for included minerals. Drink all through day. Coconut oil. Antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. You can include 1/10 teaspoon of peppermint concentrate to 2 tablespoons of crude coconut oil. Blend well and include either 10 drops of stevia or 1 tablespoon of crude nectar. Blend well. At that point, spread thin on a bit of material paper. Put in cooler for 15 minutes. Eat as yummy peppermint break dessert. Homemade chicken soup. Take your bone soup and cook it in a pot with onion, carrots, celery, mushroom, parsley, and cut up chicken. Include ocean salt for tasty and mineral lift. Warm salt water. Use as a rinse for sore throat or with a neti pot for blockage.